Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the English summary, Book 1, Lecture 2, Part 8. Arabic alphabets, mostly it is considered they are 28, but they are actually 29. Alif in Arabic has no pronunciation, no speech sound. It is used for elongation of pronunciation. We say it is not Alif, it is Hamza. And we write Hamza like this. Alif below Hamza is the chair for Hamza. Sometimes Waw is the chair and sometimes Ya is the chair and sometimes Hamza do not need a chair. If 28 alphabets are used, then Alif is used as Hamza as well. The 28 alphabets are equally divided into two groups. The moon letters, Al-Huruful Qamriya. The sun letters, Al-Huruful Shamsiya. In the red, they are the sun letters, Huruful Shamsiya. And in the blue are the Huruf Qamriya and they are moon letters. They are equally divided and they are 14 each. There are two types of Hamza. Hamzatul Wasl. This is the Hamza of assimilation. And Hamzatul Qata. These are the two. The Quran, which are printed in Pakistan and India, do not differentiate between these two Hamzas. Quran printed in Middle East, Hamzas are clearly identified. It is extremely important to follow the method which is coming from the Middle East. Fortunately, I am in Saudi Arabia, so I am using those Quran. The difference between the two, in about 8 to 9 nouns, when Hamza comes, it is Hamzatul Wasl. So what happens with Hamzatul Wasl? If we write Al-Kitab, what is this? Alif, it is not Alif because Alif has no sound. You know, Al-Kitabu. Now I write Akbaru, Ahmadu. The Hamza on top of Alif is the neck of Ain. In Al-Kitabu, this Alif is Hamzatul Wasl, and in Akbaru and Ahmadu, it is Hamzatul Qata. And you can differentiate how it is written. Hamzatul Qata will always be pronounced whenever it comes and wherever it comes. Hamzatul Wasl will only be pronounced when it comes in the beginning of the sentence. Al-Kitabu, you will read Al-Kitabu. When we add Waw, Wal-Kitabu. No, this Alif is not read. This is actually Hamzatul Wasl. Hamzatul Qata will always be pronounced whenever it comes and wherever it comes. Hamzatul Wasl will only be pronounced when it comes in the beginning of the sentence. Al-Kitab, over here we will pronounce. But if it comes after a particle, Wal-Kitabu, so this will not be pronounced. We will say Wal-Kitabu. If a particle comes before Hamza or if Hamzatul Wasl comes in the middle of the sentence, we will not pronounce Hamzatul Wasl. Ahmadu wa Ahmad. In both cases, we will pronounce Hamza because it is Hamzatul Qata. In Alif Lam, Al, it is Hamzatul Wasl. If it comes in the beginning, there will be Fatah over it, like this. And if it comes after a particle or word, there will be a small sign over it, like this. It is something like small swad. Wal Kitab. So it will not be pronounced when it will have a small sign like this. The moon letters, Huruf al-Qamriya, and the sun letters, Huruf al-Shamsiya. If Al comes with the moon letter, we will pronounce the Lam. In case Alif Lam Al comes with the sun letter, we do not pronounce the Lam. Example is in itself. Al-Qamariya. Ash-Shams. Over here we have not pronounced the Lam, and over here we pronounce the Lam. You have already done it through the main course. We will go a bit quickly. These are the Qamariya, we are going to pronounce the Lam. These are the Shamsiya, we are not going to pronounce the Lam. Al-Abu, father, the father. Al-Babu, the door. Al-Jannatu, the garden. Al-Himaru, the donkey. Al-Khubzu, the bread. Al-Ainu, the eye. Al-Tajiru, the businessman. Al-Subu, the dress. Al-Diku, the roaster. Al-Dhahabu, the gold. Al-Rajulu, the man. Al-Zaharatu, the flower. Al-Ghadau, lunch. Al-Famu, the mouth. Al-Qamaru, the moon. Al-Kalbu, the dog. Al-Ma'u, the water. Al-Waladu, the boy. Al-Hawau, the air. Al-Yadu, the hand. As-Samaku, we are not going to pronounce the name. As-Samaku, the fish. Ash-Shamsu, the sun. Al-Sadaru, the chest. Al-Defu, the guest. Al-Talibu, the student. Al-Zaharu, the bag. Al-Lahmu, the meat. Al-Najmu, the star. Match the words, that is, Al-Talibun, Maridun. Al-Dukanu, Maftuhun. Al-Tufau, Lazizun. Al-Ma'u, Harun. Al-Hajaru, Saqirun. Al-Qalamu, Maqsurun. The new words. Hulbun, sweet. Maridun, sick. Al-Dukanu, the shop. Ghaniyun, the rich. Tawilun, the long. Faqirun, the poor. Kathirun, the short or small. Al-Tufan, the apple. Now these are the words which we have already used a lot of them, and just keeping the rules in mind that with the moon letters the lam will be pronounced, and with the sun letters the lam will not be pronounced. Al-Baytu, Ad-Diku, Al-Mudarrisu, Al-Babu, Al-Talibu, Al-Sukkaru, Al-Daftaru, Al-Akhu, the brother. Al-Rasulu, the messenger. Al-Wajhu, the face. Al-Siddiqu, the friend. Al-Quranu, Al-Salatu, the prayer. Al-Kabatu, the Kaaba. Rasu, the head. Al-Isbahu, the finger. Al-Sabun, the soap. Al-Zufaru, fingernail. Al-Fajru, Fajr. Al-Zuhru, Al-Zuhur. Al-Asru, Al-Maghribu, Al-Ishau. Hello, Tamari. It has the answers. 1 and 2 we have already done. And now over here it is for size 3, and when we are matching. And the last one which we have discussed. All the signs are given over here. This is from Hello, Tamari, the last section of book 1.